Hey, what's up guys? Matt here from Loon Outdoors, and today we're going to show you our 2023 product release. First and foremost, we've updated our prime scissor models in both the 5 and the 6 inch. So both sizes got a small upgrade, and the main difference is going to be the precision peg that we've added on here. It just gives you a little bit of an extra space for your hand to rest on. It's kind of a great addition to a really cool tool. Next up, what we've added into the lineup of our prime scissor lineup is a curved shear. Now this is a curved blade shear for tapering down bait fish patterns, trimming your beard, whatever really you want to do with it. After that, what we've brought in is a tapering shear as well. And this guy is awesome. You can see the little openings there. What that does is it cuts like almost every other fiber, giving you a natural progression to taper bait fish patterns, trim up whatever you need to, and make things just look a little bit more realistic. So this is the Ergo Prime tapering shear, tension adjustable, precision peg on it as well. Super cool new pair of scissors from Loon. So the next one is our fly tying mat. It is super flexible, easy to clean. If you get UV resin on this, it's gonna pop right off. The yellow sections here hold hooks, so it's magnetic. And you have a bunch of little trays to put finished product or to prep and stage all of your materials. This works great for the guy who doesn't have a permanent tying station, or a guy who just doesn't want to make a huge mess on his wife's table or his own table. So now we're going to move over into the more gear side of things. These are more stream side oriented, travel oriented tools. First and foremost is we have these neoprene rod wraps. There's an interesting little slit here that's designed to fit over one of your guides, and then you can come around multiple pieces of a rod and separate them and secure them. Reduces chatter while they're in transport, holds them tight. We're going to be introducing as well reel cases. So this is our small size, houses a reel really well, and it's got enough room with the Velcro closure that it could be sitting on a rod while in transport or just in the garage for storage. That was the small size. We have a medium and a large as well. It's going to fit pretty much all of your needs. We took our hook file and we've made a big one. So this is a double-sided diamond file. And the cool part that we've added here is this hole. If you put your hook through there and you're tightening a knot, it gives you a really solid bar, and it's kind of a 2-for-1 type deal. Sharpen your hook, tighten your knots, less stuff dangling on your vest. This is the quick draw tool tether. It is a really awesome, it extends well past our noted 24 inches. Comes with an ultra premium wire gate carabiner, a soft cord with a stainless steel inserted wire. It's crimped at the ends. It also comes with a stainless steel roller bearing and a hard finished black split ring for attachment to whatever you may need in your life. So now for some fun stuff. So this is our new trout plier. It comes with a sheath, the tool tether with a swivel, split rings and everything. So you can see it lives in an open position. The real trick of the trade here is that as it closes, this section here gives you a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage, giving you twice the crimping force that a traditional plier would give you, and it's always ready to go. Being in the open position is awesome. On the back side here, we have 2 lines marked, and that's for the cutting surface, so that if you have it flush up against something, you can see that you're in the cutting surface and not crimping. The tool belt attachment point is movable like 360 degrees to fit wherever you want it to. It goes on board shorts, fits over all of your wader straps, everything like that. So if you wanted to plop this on your waders, right there, you can just click it in. It's gonna be a nice solid spot. So this is an interesting tool. We took our prime tying scissor, beefed it up quite a bit, and this is our Ergo boat scissor. It is a blunt cut, so it's not gonna stab you while you're sloshing around in a boat. of whatever type it is. And it has 2 premium cutting surfaces that are hand sharpened here in the USA, stainless steel construction, and our patented comfy grip on the handle. Where this is going to excel is bigger flies. You can trim down a fly on the boat if you need to, throwing bait fish patterns, cut up whatever you need. Super cool item from Loon. It's the boat scissor. This is where our adventure changes slightly. We're moving into some bigger tools, what we're calling our Apex line of products here. So first and foremost, this is our Apex plier. It is a full aluminum anodized plier with stainless steel jaws, hardware, and a tungsten carbide cutter. And yes, everything is replaceable. We've had it hollowed out a lot to reduce weight. One thing is pliers get bulky, they get heavy. The gripping point locks perfectly into your hand, so there's no slip. Next up is our Apex needle nose plier, and let's face it, not everybody fishes for trout. So we have designed a powder coat finish on this. This is a massive 13.5-inch needle nose plier, big fish getting in there, pulling hooks out, non-slip, non-corrosive handles with, you can hook up a tool tether if you want to it so you don't drop it over the side of the boat. Just a really beefy set of equipment here. Pretty stoked on these guys. They're going to find their way onto a lot of muskie, pike, bass, saltwater, big fish application. Next up is the Apex hook remover. For those of you who have ever used one of these, if a fish eats something very deep and they have teeth, it kind of gets in there, you lock on the bend of the hook and pop that thing out. Those big predatory fish are pretty tough in the mouth hole, so we needed a tool that would be about the same. Pretty simplistic. You just get the hook right there and pop it out. And last up is you have to hold the guys with the nasty mouth. So we have this locking lip gripper as well. This guy floats. It is a little bit stealthy looking, which is cool. It's going to lock down on, stripers, pike, muskie, snakeheads, bowfins, whatever sort of nasty creature you're attacking, and just gives you a positive place to hold that fish. Wrist lanyards included to go around your wrist. Really is just going to keep your hands away from the business end while you remove a hook. Anyways, guys, that's our 2023 product lineup. Matt from Loon Outdoors here. Thanks for watching.